It's time for another weeknight winner.
Talk about winner chicken dinner.
That's right, and that winner dinner is topped with an amazing sauce.
Oh, and it is stuffed with some Caprese goodness.
I am Caprese about this chicken.
Totally. Yum, dum.
So hey everybody, I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My Caprese Loon.
Totally, yeah, Caprese for Caprese.
He is loco. Anyway, we are so excited. We're doing a chicken dish tonight, and it's so easy. We're combining two of our favorite things, chicken and the most delicious salad in the world, Caprese.
Caprese, look at this. Look at these wonderful components.
So it's so much fun and it's so delicious. So let's just jump into it. This recipe makes 4 comfortably, but we're just doing 2 because it's just the 2 of us. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get just some chicken breasts from the grocery store, boneless, skinless, and you're going to want to cut little pockets into them. And all you do is you get your nice sharp knife out. I can't speak. And then just start to very gently, don't overdo it, don't go too fast, and then just start to cut a little cut into the meatiest part of the chicken, and you're just going to make a little pocket. And try your best not to cut through the end or cut through the
Be careful.
Be careful, and don't worry if you do cut a little bit. We've done this a lot of times, and you're going to sear it, and it really kind of seals it up. You know? But you just don't want a big old.
And it's all right if a little cheese gets out.
That's right. That's right. A little cheese will get out, but it's beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to ask. Oh, first of all, I'm going to.
Well, you do that. I'm going to just salt and pepper these. These wonderful Roma tomatoes that are fresher than fresh.
So I mean,
that mozzarella.
This is when you want to really utilize the freshest of the fresh vegetables. We got these at our farmer's market, and so now I need you to, because I've got chickeny fingers.
You're chickeny.
It's great if you have a Loon in the kitchen to help you.
Yes.
Now give it a decent amount.
Chicken takes a good amount of salt.
It does. Okay. Now we're gonna do a little salt and pepper.
Yes.
This is so easy. The seasoning is not real complex.
I love
it's
pepper.
Just good. I do too. And now, let me go ahead and flip this.
Flip it.
These are just my own little individual helpings. So I've got some dried.
You can touch those all you want.
This is dried basil, and this is dried oregano. So we're going to do this on both sides.
Y'all.
Okay. Now we're going to
so good.
Flip and repeat.
Yes.
This really is one of those dishes that is just the result is so delicious.
It's like you get all the goodness of that Caprese salad.
I know, and the
chicken
and the balsamic reduction is it all just comes together, and it's beautiful too. Have we sold you on it yet? We haven't even made it yet. Okay, so now I need you to help me do one more thing. No, I can do this. So we're gonna
you're gonna stuff it with that.
Yeah. So we've got some garlic here. You want to do it? All right, I can
stuff it.
You stuff
it.
You
stuff it. Actually, I've got the other stuff I'm going to stuff it with.
Okay, give us a little hit of, just a little pinch of salt and pepper inside too. Okay. I don't want these to be under seasoned. Yeah. Okay, that's great. So now I'm going to, where's my, there it is.
There it is.
There it is. Okay, perfect.
Let me get a little salt in there.
Okay. So now, this is when it's really fun. Oh, I guess we were going to do these one at a time, but that's okay.
That's all right, yeah.
Okay,
we'll do this first one, and then
we'll come back. Okay.
I'm going to actually cut this in half.
Yeah.
And this is where I'm going to get a little chickeny too.
Yeah. So you're just
we're going to do mozzarella first.
Yeah.
And we're just going to stuff
it in there.
Stuff it down in there. Put it on the bottom. Then we're going to have 2 Roma tomatoes. I'm going to put those on the bottom, Chris.
Oh, yeah,
there you go.
Oh, yeah.
Put those right there.
And that's a trick because it is easy to kind of cut the top a little bit. And if you put those tomatoes on top of the cheese won't ooze out.
And I've got some basil here that I'm going to stuff.
This is fresh basil. You can just put
from your basil garden.
You can put whole leaves in. You don't even have to chop it.
One more leaf in there.
Okay, delish. Okay, now we are going to do the old toothpick trick.
Yeah, I forgot to empty some of these out, so I don't want to touch them all, so I'm just going to put a couple on there we go.
Yeah. There you are, a couple, or a couple thousand.
Cucumbers or cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
Toothpicks. All right, come on.
It's hard to seal them with cucumbers. Yeah. Okay, and then so what this does is it really does just help keep that seal closed, because otherwise you really would get cheese all over your skillet.
There we go.
And we do about 3 to 4 of these, and he's doing them somewhat on a diagonal, which works perfectly.
Fabulous.
Okay, fabulous.
All right.
All right, we're going to finish this up, do this one, and then we're going to sear these babies off. Okay, Now, look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Those are great. They're right down there.
These are going to be gorgeous. So, like I said, this recipe typically calls for, well, it does call for four chicken breasts. So it feeds 4. Now we're going to use our large cast iron skillet. This is a 12-inch cast iron skillet. You can do this in any kind of skillet, and then if you don't have a cast iron skillet, and then transfer it into a baking dish. But this, if you have this is great. It makes it super easy. Now I'm going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil in here. I've got this cranked up, well, to about medium-high heat. And what we're going to do is we are going to start off by searing these in this skillet.
Got it.
Okay.
Yay. There's that sizzle. I'm like, is that thing on?
Where's my sizzle? Where's my sizzle?
And while those sizzle, I'm going to put together the balsamic mixture that we're going to pour over them before we bake them, right?
Yes.
Oh, God.
Yeah, so balsamic just naturally, it has a sweetness to it, but we're going to make it even better, and then it's going to reduce.
Wow. Wow, that is some good balsamic.
If you can get your hands on some really good balsamic, it just makes this even better. But I tell you, I don't think I've ever met a balsamic I didn't like. I drink it practically like water.
Now we've got some dark brown sugar we're gonna put in here. This is 2 tablespoons. It just makes it a thick, delicious, sweet.
Just go ahead and transfer.
Chris, I don't want to spill. I'm not like whoosh, like the Swedish chef who throws everything everywhere.
Okay, that's what it is.
And then I have a tablespoon of what is that?
That's chicken stock.
Chicken stock.
You could use beef stock, or you could just omit this. I just find it gives the right consistency.
Yeah,
when you add
that's
that
all right. Add it. Should I do this or should I shake it?
We have it in a jar.
I'll shake
it up. If you don't have a jar handy, then you could just do what Wesley was going to do and just stir it, okay?
Yes.
So now we're going to let these go for about 4 minutes until they get nice and browned on one side.
And I'm going to shake and not get any balsamic on me.
Shake his troubles away. and then we're going to, it's so quick. You go like 4 minutes, we flip it for 4 minutes, and then we finish it off in the oven for like 15 minutes. See, he does his exercise before we eat, which is good. Okay. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I'm going to turn this heat off, so now you can go ahead and
I got my balsamic mixture.
Kind of stand back because it's going to sizzle a little. I should tell you. So we let this go for about 4 minutes per side. You want to just let it. I should tell you that. I should tell you that you want to get it nice and brown, and then you're going to flip it. And then you're just going to let it cook for about another 4 minutes. And what that does is it just gives it kind of a nice sear. And that's all I needed to say.
I love it.
So go ahead.
We need to have a puppy cam down here.
I know.
Because you guys don't understand. We got dogs.
It's like there's an entire show going on down here. Okay, add it.
Here we go.
This is one of my favorite parts.
Can I pour it right on?
Yeah, pour it all over.
All right, there we go.
Oh, it's just, okay, I just salivated.
Ooh.
Wow. Oh, the smell.
Here, let me make sure I get that.
So I have got this, I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and we're just going to finish this off in the oven, and it's going to take about 20 minutes. I'm like in breathing in the smell. I should also say, I keep having things I need to tell you. So you may be thinking, wow, I don't think I could get 4 chicken breasts in here, because nowadays chicken breasts are the size of like a bus.
Yeah.
So what I normally do is I'll do 3 and then set them aside and then do the fourth one, and they shrink down, and you can get them in your
shove them all in there.
Okay, let's shove it in the oven. Yay! I am so excited. I'm crazy about this dish.
You're caprese about it?
I am caprese about it.
Oh my. Oh, wow.
It's so beautiful. Look at that cheese. It's starting to
y'all, the smell in here is unbelievable.
The charts.
There you go.
Yeah, let's really.
Yeah, let's seal the deal.
We call this food porn, I think, in certain.
Oh, we need to take out those toothpicks.
Yes, we do. I know. I have fun playing with my food. Okay, I think. Are they too hot to handle?
Nah.
Are they like you in the 90s? Too hot to handle.
Oh, you're so clean.
All right, so, this is so spectacular. We let this go for literally 20 minutes. Again, sometimes you get these chicken breasts and they're ginormous. So I would recommend this right here is an instant read thermometer. You want to get it to in the range of like 160, 160. After it comes out of the oven, it's going to continue to cook. Oh. Which one of these do you want, Wesley?
Either or. Oh, wait. Here we go. Don't forget. One.
Oh, yeah. You don't want to. Yeah, do make sure you get all the toothpicks. That's not real appetizing.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Is there one? There's one more.
Nope.
Right here.
We're rushing, so don't serve toothpicks to your guests. That would really ruin the dinner party.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Yeah, give it to me like that. Perfect. Give it to me like that.
Sounds like an 80s rock song.
Oh, yes.
Oh, beautiful.
I hope everybody can see this.
I know, we always...
Hold on, I got to clean up my plate. Chris drips all the way over.
Well, I'm carrying it across the room for you. This is one of those that is just like, is spectacular, and you see how easy it was. Now I got to give you a little sauce, Wesley.
Yes.
You know, we got to get a little saucy here.
Yes, please.
That's what we do at the...
Hold your hand underneath it so it doesn't drip all over everything. Okay. That way. Oh!
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
I am...
excited, anticipating something to be wonderful.
Yeah.
Me too.
I am going to cut it this way so you guys can see all the action.
He's so thoughtful.
I'm not going to get in the way. Okay, I'm just going to split it down the middle. Oh my stars.
Wow.
Okay. You guys. Wow. Look. I'm still playing with my food. Y'all, that cheese, look at the cheese.
And it's my favorite things, tomato, basil, it's caprese, I'm caprese for it. I can't help it.
All right, hold on, I'm sorry, I'm still playing.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're still, all right,
yeah.
Well, I'll sit here and
gosh, okay, there we go. Oh, wow.
Talk about a family favorite, crowd-pleasing dish.
I love this dish so much.
I
got a big mouth here.
Well, that's an understatement. All right, let's go. Chicken, winter dinner. I always get it wrong.
That balsamic glaze.
Yeah.
And then you hit that basil and the tomato and the mozzarella. It's like...
I can't even. It's beyond
It's like
words.
a garden party.
In my mouth.
Oh, y'all. This is 10,000% Loon approved. Oh, it is so good. It's so easy. You need to make this.
It's just everything. It's figure friendly. It's wallet friendly. And it is so delicious.
Yes.
You're gonna flip your wig for it.
Oh, I
Everybody,
can't even.
You're gonna be crazy for it. So we love you so much.
Yeah, go Caprese.
Stuff it.